In this lecture, we are going to see ls command. ls command is the first command in our list. ls command is just a command that we use in our Windows operating system, that was dir, dir, that will show us how many directories in the present working directory. Okay, so ls command is also called as list command. So now I don't know where currently I am, so I just want to see how many files, how many directories are present there where I currently working on. So let's type here ls and press enter. So as you can see here, desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, public, templates, videos. These are the folders are present here where currently I am working on. So if you want to see where currently I am working on, so you just need to type pwd and press enter. So I am currently working on home Kali Linux. This is also called as this pwd command will tell you in which directory currently you are working on. Okay, so now I am in home Kali Linux. So I just want to see that how many things are inside this home Kali Linux working directory, how many things are present here. So let's type here ls and press enter. So as you can see here, desktop, okay, these many things. So let's see graphically how it is accurate or not. So as you can see here, home Kali Linux. So I'm just going to press home. So in this home tab, you can see here that desktop, yes, it is desktop, documents, download. This is true information. So this is how we use terminal window. It make our work very easy. You just need to type some commands and you will be there. You will see what particular things is working there and what you want to retrieve, what you want to do. You just need to click some commands here. So in this video, we have learned about two commands. The first one is ls and the second one is pwd. So now let's repeat once again. So now I want to see in which directory currently I am working on. So I just want to type pwd for knowing the current working directory and press enter. So currently I am working on home Kali Linux and I want to see how many folders are there in home Kali Linux. So I just want to type ls and press enter. So as you can see here, these many folders are there, and if I want to know more about these folders, what I will do, I will just type ls-l and press enter. So it will show us each and everything about these folders. Okay, so this is how it works and this is how we use pwd command and ls command. So in the upcoming lecture, we are going to see some more important commands.